So, dialysis and electrodialysis I have covered. Next, come to ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration technique. Colloidal dispersion can pass through an ordinary filter paper because the pore size of filter paper is large. If this filter paper is impregnated with collodion, the pore size reduces. Such modification or such modified filter papers are called ultrafilters. The principle is illustrated in this figure. The colloidal dispersion is filtered through an ultrafilter to remove all electrolytes. Colloidal particles are retained on the filter paper as a slime. These are collected and dispersed in a pure dispersion medium to get a sol. Ultrafiltration process very slowly, so pressure is sorry. The ultrafiltration proceeds very slowly, so pressure or suction is applied to increase the rate of filtration. Here, applying pressure or suction, then solvent and small particles forced across a membrane while colloidal particles are retained. Here, the membrane, here, the collecting part. The membranes must be supported on a centered glass plate to prevent rupture due to high pressure. The pore size of membrane can be increased by soaking in a solvent that cause swelling, like cellophane swell in zinc chloride solution, collodion or nitrocellulose swell in alcohol. The pharmaceutical application of this ultrafiltration technique. The principle of dialysis are applied in different ways. First is membrane filters and artificial membranes are used as a model system to explain the principle of diffusion of drugs through natural membranes, uh, etc. For example, the concept of donor membrane concept can be studied using artificial membranes. And next, drug protein binding effects can be studied employing the principle of dialysis. The principle of dialysis is also used in the hemodialysis technique. It is an artificial kidney machine, and this is an artificial kidney machine uh, which removes the smaller sized or low molecular weight and small and soluble impurities from the blood. The semi-permeable membrane does not allow the passage of albumin and other colloidal particles present in the blood. So patient's blood arterial blood pass through. Then cellophane coils, ideal semi-permeable membrane for hemodialysis, pass through this membrane. Then cellophane pass urea, glucose, electrolytes, but don't pass the plasma protein and blood cells. Okay, so pure dialyzed blood entered the body again through the vein. Success of the artificial kidney machine depends on its ability to reduce blood urea. Cellophane coils are supported on a drum rotating in electrolyte solution, rinsing fluid. Here the dialyzer, air trap and detector. Pressure is monitoring here. This is a pump. Anticoagulant is incorporating here because of whether the blood doesn't coagulate. This is a pressure monitor. After dialysis, this goes through the vein again. So suitable artificial kidney machine, that importance of rinsing solution. Substances present in excess in blood, like urea, diffuse from blood to the rinsing solution. Substances which are deficient in blood, like bicarbonate, diffuse from the rinsing solution to blood. Substances which are present in normal amounts in bloods are kept unaltered, have the same concentration in both blood and rinsing solution. So these are the pharmaceutical applications of colloids. Colloidal silver iodide, silver chloride, and silver protein are effective germicides and not cause irritation as ionic silver salts. Colloidal copper used in cancer, colloidal gold used in diagnostic agents, colloidal mercury used in syphilis. Association colloids are used to increase the solubility and stability to certain compounds in aqueous and oily pharmaceutical preparation. Then, efficiency of certain substances is increased when used in colloidal form due to large surface area. Examples like efficiency of kaolin in absorbing toxins from GIT, efficiency of aluminum hydroxide as an antacid. Then blood plasma substitutes as dextran, polyvinyl pyrrolidine, and gelatin are hydrophilic colloids used to restore or maintain blood volume. Next is iron dextran complex, form ionic, non-ionic hydrophilic salts used to treatment of anemia.